So breaking tonight at 11, Atlanta Mayor Keisha Lance Bottoms taking the stand in the fight against the coronavirus crisis. Masks are now mandatory in public places.
It's something health officials say is among the best steps you can take to protect yourself and others. The new executive order comes as Georgia sees another staggering report of new cases. 3,420 new cases in just the past 24 hours. Compare this to the same day in June. Georgia only reported about 600 new cases.
We have team coverage tonight on the efforts to stop the spread of this exploding public health emergency. Our crews are live with how the outbreak is straining hospital resources and creating anxiety about sending kids back to school. But first tonight, let's begin with the breaking new details on Atlanta's new mask mandate. Ashley Thompson is live explaining what it all means. Ashley.
Rick, this order came down about 2 hours ago and it went into effect immediately. So you'll notice I am wearing my mask tonight. Be sure to wear yours if you are going to be in the city of Atlanta. Wearing a mask in the city of Atlanta no longer just encouraged. Tonight, Mayor Keisha Lance Bottoms signed an executive order mandating that everyone wear them within city limits and at the world's busiest airport.
All of the experts that I'm hearing from are saying that to help slow the spread, we need to mandate masks, and that's what we're going to do in Atlanta, and hopefully it will help some.
I feel a lot better and a lot safer with the mandates.
Rob Bennett is the manager at Cafe Intermezzo in Midtown. They've taken steps to keep people safe at the restaurant, and he believes this mandate could only help.
When the guests are sitting at the table, they can take their mask off, but if they go to the restroom or walk up to our pastry cases, they would need to put them back on.
Mayor Bottoms' order states people must wear their masks properly over their nose and mouth. The order also bans gatherings of 10 or more people on City of Atlanta property. Most people we spoke with support the mandate, though some admit it's a little frustrating.
I have my mask in my pocket right here, but I don't wear it all the time because, I'm 22. I don't think it's cool to wear a mask.
Still a lot of people who aren't wearing them. So maybe a mandate is something that needs to happen.
The mandate comes just days after Mayor Bottoms tested positive for COVID-19 herself. She took to social media to say she finally got her test results back after 8 days and went on to say perhaps the National Guard can help with testing too. A small jab at Governor Brian Kemp, who called in the National Guard after recent violence in the city as coronavirus cases continue to spike in the state. Now, this order does not apply to those 10 years old or younger, and we are still working to learn what the penalties are for those not wearing masks within the city. Of course, we will let you know as soon as we find out. Live in Atlanta, Ashley Thompson, CBS 46 News.